the end of the second week, and they give you fucking painting class. So.
Damn.
Where'd the ball go?
It just fell off the front of it.
Yeah, it just like last time. That's a camera.
Stop, stop.
Oh.
Oh, dink.
Dink.
Was that a Tonka or two?
I was gonna say.
Oh, it worked! Oh my! Oh, everybody take cover!
Holy shit!
Take cover!
No!
Oh my God! I can't even see it!
Where is it?
It's so far up there! Oh my God!
I don't even know where that's coming down.
Oh my God! Holy cow! I don't even know how to talk about that. God. It's loud.
Holy shit! Hey, that's a hole. Ball is in the air.
Not even gonna make it here. Cow! 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 What happened?
Come here, baby.
God, this is going forever!
Yeah!
Holy cow! Oh my Lord!
Look at all the stuff coming out.
I never saw it.
Holy
It landed
shit!
in the trees.
In that
It landed in the trees. I heard the whistle.
Man, that was
Holy crap.